guys, so it's takedown time. Like I said in my previous video that I was going to show you guys my takedown process. And yeah, if you are hearing some kind of background noise, please just excuse that. This is Nigeria, where we don't have constant power supply, so we are always using generator. So that's the noise you can hear in the background, as if you are hearing it. So guys, this is my hair. It's already a month old and I'm about to take it down. I've even started taking down from the back earlier today, but I'm just going to show you guys. So I'll be using this mega growth leave-in straightener to help me detangle especially these root parts. So let me just show you guys how I'm going to be taking it down. I'm going to show you guys these three, okay, just these ones, then I'll complete the rest off camera. I have to cut it. Let me see, my hair is not long. Let me just cut it here to be on a safer side. Hey, I hope I've not cut my hair, sha. So guys, welcome back again to another video, and for those joining for the first time, you're welcome to my channel, and my name is Alice. And please do well to subscribe to the channel and give the video a big thumbs up if you like it, and also share to your loved ones, your family and friends. So please don't go anywhere, just sit back and continue enjoying the rest of the video. So I've gotten to this part. I have to use the leave-in. So this is actually where my hair is, and oh my god, yeah. Oh no, my front hair has really come out a lot. Like, it's even looking more thick. So guys, I'm going to take down the rest of the camera, and you guys have seen the process the way I take down my braids. This is it, and this leave-in straightener really is a very, like, it has, I love it so much because it just makes things very easy for me, like no stress, coupled with the fact that this hair is a month old. You know how it is when your hair is very, like when you take your braids for a very long period of time, you get to have so much build up, and then the roots of it, you know, it's freeze. Yeah, so it just made everything super easy for me, like super easy to take down, very easy for me. You guys can see the root of my hair, how soft and smooth it is. So I'm going to take down the rest and comb out my hair to see the amount of hair loss I'm going to have. I just hope I don't get so much hair loss. So guys, I'm finally done taking down the braids. It took me 2 hours to do that, and I'm about to comb out the hair. Oh my god, look at how thick my hair is. Yo, look at the new growth. 7 months, almost 7 months, I think. Yeah, in the next 1 week it's going to be 7 months. You all look at the new growth. Oh my god. And then look at how thick the already relaxed part is. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Anyways, let me comb out this thing now. So what I want to do now is to apply this, rub it, and then yep. So it should be easy to detangle, and I'll use my hand to detangle it a little bit before I make use of my comb. So I'm going to start from the tip of the hair. I'm going to go upward like that. So guys, I'll do this to every other part of the hair. I think combing it section this way makes it more easier. So guys, this is what my hair is looking like. You all look at the new growth. Can you see the difference in the color? Like, this is very dark, this is darker than this. The growth is so much. Honestly, I don't even know when I'm going to be relaxing this hair. But anyways guys, this is what I got. Oh my god, this looks much compared to the last time I took my hair for a month. Although that was mini braid, I didn't use any extension, but I think probably because I used an extension for this one, so I guess that's the reason why I had so much hair loss. But I don't know, because yo, this is much compared to the last time I took down my braid that I took for a month. Mini braid, not knotless braid. So yeah, this is going to be the end of the video. I'm going to do a hair wash video. Yeah, obviously we have to wash the hair, even though the hair is not even looking as if it's dirty. But of course it's dirty. My scalps are crying for wash. So I'm going to do the washing video, and I'm also going to be doing a protein treatment, because I always do that once every month, and it's that time of the month where I have to do my protein treatment. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please do well to give it a big thumbs up, share to your loved ones, your family, your friends, whoever that might be interested in this content. And also, if you are yet to subscribe, hit that subscribe button, okay? And also turn on your notification bell so whenever I post a video, you get notified. For now, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.